Airdog is a new company in the air purifier market. It has released several successful devices so far. The X3 is a new model in the series. It applies an electrode generator as its central filtering technology. This model has many advanced features, which we will cover in more detail in the following scenes. But before we get started, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to keep up to date with all our latest content. Preparing the Airdog X3 for the first time is not demanding. Take the device out of the box and peel off all the strips. After that, you need to unpack the collecting plates. Immediately afterward, use the pull handle to open the back cover and insert the collecting plates into the part provided for it. Pay close attention to the tag direction when inserting. Finally, plug the power adapter into the Airdog X3 and safely turn on the device. The Airdog X3 can be controlled by pressing a button on the device or via the Smart app. With the press of a button, you can control speed, turn it on or off, and enter the sleep mode. Also, you can reset the filter cleaning indicator when it's time for that. The Smart app is available for Android and iOS devices. It's used for all that we have already mentioned, plus the advanced features offered in the X3 model. At first glance, the Airdog X3 looks minimal and straightforward. It's a surprisingly light device thanks to it being graphene infused. The device is dominated by white color. However, the upper side of the device is black. At the top, you can find a display, motion and light sensors, and a device control button. Airdog uses premium quality plastic as well as top build quality. The display shows all the most critical information, such as Wi-Fi, child lock, sleep mode, air quality index, and power indicator. The display also indicates the fan speeds from L1 to L4. There is also auto mode on display. It's a handy option that adjusts the fan speed based on air quality and a light sensor. There's a light on the bottom of the device that indicates real-time air quality in different colors. Detailed explanations of all indicators on display can be found at airpurifierfirst.com. On the bottom half of the air purifier is an air inlet. The air purifier pulls air from three sides as well as from the bottom. Filtered air comes out at the top of the device and from the sides. In the following scenes, we will show the Airdog Smart app walkthrough. The Airdog Smart app brings additional options to the device. In addition to turning the device on and off, there are options for sleep mode, auto mode, and child lock. Above the control buttons is a chart of air quality for the last 15 days. Just above the chart is a display of current air quality. You can set the advanced timer by entering the timing settings. For instructions on connecting Airdog to the app, see airpurifierfirst.com. Airdog uses two-pole active technology based on Ionic Wind technology, and it's optimized for air filtration. The X3 uses 4 stages of filtration. The pre-filter is the first stage of filtration, removing pet dander, hair, and large dust. The second stage of filtration is the electrode generator, used for killing bacteria and viruses. The third stage of filtration features the collecting plates, which is used for collecting debris and everything that wasn't caught with previous filters. The carbon filter is the last layer of defense. It's used to remove unwanted odors, smells, and other compounds. Detailed information on filters and maintenance can be found in the review at airpurifierfirst.com. The collecting plates of the X3 contain infused graphene material that is the futuristic technology that spacecraft regularly use. The Airdog X3 collecting plates apply the graphene to enhance its performance and attract particles as small as 14.6 nanometers, which is 6 times better than the traditional air purifier. It's also chemical-proof, so you can wash the collecting plates without worrying about any loss of effectiveness. Collecting plates need to be cleaned when the letter C appears on the display. Be sure to turn off the device, unplug it, and wait 5 minutes before cleaning. Then open the back cover and pull out the collecting plates. Disassemble the collecting plates as shown in the video. Collecting plates can be washed by hand or in a dishwasher. It will usually dry in 20 minutes due to the infused graphene material, after which you can return it to the device. Finally, press the control button to remove the C from the display. Airdog uses an air quality sensor that needs to be cleaned from dust from time to time. The sensor needs to be cleaned every 6 months. It's recommended to clean it with a cotton swab and rubbing alcohol. We tested the volume of the Airdog X3 air purifier at all speeds. A well-optimized engine is an indicator of low volume at all speeds. On first speed, the device produces a sound of 41.8 dBA. On second speed, it has a sound of 43.8 dBA. At the third speed, it produces 50.2 dBA. While running on the fourth speed, it produces a sound of 56.1 dBA. In sleep mode, the Airdog additionally reduces the sound, so the volume is 40.8 dBA. The results may differ from the manufacturer's results because our volume measuring device includes A-weighted decibels in the measurement. A 27-watt motor powers the Airdog X3 air purifier. This small consumer will not make a significant change to your electricity bill. If the device were to operate at the highest speed 24 hours a day for 1 month, your electricity bill would be increased by about $2.10. If we consider that the price of electricity in the US is about 12 cents per kilowatt hour. Since the Airdog X3 does not require replacement filters, combined with low consumption, the costs per year are minimal. We tested the Airdog X3 in several rooms. The device exceeded all our expectations and performed fantastically. In a room of 194 square feet, the Airdog X3 lowered the AQI from 157 to 11 in 60 minutes, improving air quality by about 93%. In another room of 320 square feet, the device improved the air quality by about 91% in 60 minutes. Since this room is slightly larger than the recommended dimensions, Airdog had outstanding results. Even after 60 minutes, the device continued to improve the air quality in the rooms. The Airdog Air Purifier was running on the fourth speed in all presented tests. We put the Airdog X3 in a smoke box, which we subsequently filled with smoke, and then turned on the device. In the following scenes, see how much time was needed to remove all the smoke from the box. The Airdog X3 is a premium device designed for rooms up to 215 square feet. The device uses TPA, a patent technology for air filtration. A great sign that Airdog is on the right track is the many satisfied users and successful Kickstarter and Indiegogo campaigns. Certificates proved that emitted ozone by the Airdog X3 is way under any dangerous levels. The Airdog X3 did great in all our tests. Excellent performance combined with washable filters and low power consumption set the Airdog X3 apart from many other air purifiers and make it a best buy option.